Hey guys, it's giveaway time. So this giveaway is going to work out a little bit different than the ones that we've done in the past. Well, I guess only the other two. But right now, as I'm filming this, there are 45 subscribers to this channel. So I'm going to wait until this channel gets to 100 subscribers, and then we're going to give away something from Spyderco. So this is a real Spyderco. I bought it from Blade HQ, a very reputable dealer that gets their Spydercos straight from Spyderco. So this is the real deal. This is, well, you can see here, it's a little Dragonfly 2 Salt. So this is made to stand up to salt water, right? So let me pull it out here. Hang on. Okay, so there you go. Got the little salt Spyderco, and brand new, never been used. Should be rust proof, and it's, you know, obviously locked back. So you get the Spyderco once the channel gets to 100 subscribers. So the way that the rules work is the same as the others. Like this video, make sure you comment. If you don't comment on this video, the one you're watching right now, then you're not entered. Okay, you have to comment, and you also have to be a subscriber. Okay, so if you don't meet those two criteria, you're not going to win the salt here. So I'm going to put that back in here for now, and then we're going to wait until the channel gets to 100 subscribers, and then once we hit that 100 subscriber mark, I will upload a new video where I will randomly pick the winner with the comment selector on the, well, just like I've done the other videos, the other giveaways. All right, so that's it. Hopefully we get to 100 subscribers and then give away a Spyderco. Good luck, guys.